So Donald Trump said no more immigration visa for the immigrant them. So all who are see green card and want to go live in a country, that stop. What do you think about that?
Well, he must know because him not gonna put other people over few people them. A few people then come first. You say Americans, them not put them over Americans. Yeah.
So you don't feel like say the immigrant them really build America though?
Well, in our way, of course. In our way, because USA people, them most of them not like work. And the older people, then come work and build USA, and them not realize that. Yeah.
So you feel like it's a security thing where we try to protect America, or you feel like look at racism in it?
Well, in our way, it's a kind of security thing. He might try secure America, but mm,
So you feel like say Jamaicans, you feel like we make it bad for yourself.
well, in our way, yes, because sometimes the Jamaicans then go over, they go do all kind of wrong bang and all kind of something. Not only Jamaican alone, other countries too. Yeah, yeah.
So like how you think Andrew should have react to something like this? Or if you just ignore it?
Well, and they should have. Well, if Andrew even react to it, perhaps him not gonna really take Andrew word. We don't know because that man is a stubborn man. Him not take no talk. You realize?
So if you could have tell him something right now, what you would have tell Trump say right now in regards to that?
Well, if you try make everybody live because everybody build him country and not only USA is alone, and not only American build him country, other people build him country too. So if you kind of ease up and give them a blind.
So you think we should have limit the amount of Americans them coming here, or we just make it go on same way?
Well, them say the Americans them bring in the dollars. So they not go to limit that. Yes, because they say the dollars run Jamaica and you don't know. Yeah. Yeah, man.